Alright, we have this 2013 Ford Explorer, and it's given us some faults. All the monitors are complete.
Engine is at operating temperature.
Thank you very much. Let's go ahead and scan it. There are the two pending codes, one historic, one pending. Both of these codes are for the purge valve. So let's go ahead and look at the motor and see where it's located. Alright, here we have the engine bay. We're going to start off by just twisting this off, and it's going to unscrew itself. Just set that right up here. On this side, it has a little tab. I'm going to use this trim tool removal to remove it from its location, and then we'll just go ahead and set this also to the side. Now what we can do is lift this here, and this comes out, and we'll just set that to the floor. And here is our purge valve. So let's go ahead and take it off. We're going to start off by pressing on the pigtail and disconnecting the pigtail. We're going to press these tabs outward. I believe they go. Might need both hands. Alright, and there it is. All I did was put this trim tool here. After I pressed this one down and pressed the other one in, I was able to pull it out with the trim tool, and there it is. Here it comes out. Now let's go ahead and remove these two bolts or screws that are here. Alright, and we're going to be using the 5/16. Yeah, 5/16 socket. It looks like an 8, but it's 16. Anyways, let's go ahead and remove this. I do better work than I do talking. Let's go ahead and take these off. Alright, and just go ahead and put these screws right up here. Nice safe location. Go ahead and just twist and pop off. And there it is. And this is how you remove this purge valve on this 2013 Ford Explorer. Make sure you watch the next video of how to install it. There's a replacement part. But for now, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.